If you want to set up iPhone ringtone on your Poco C85, first of all, you have to start by opening the Google Play Store, and we have to download this Zedge Wallpapers and Ringtones application, because on the Xiaomi Film Store, this ringtone is not available. So we have to go for Open. Now we have to just wait a little bit for the post-processing, and we have to accept and continue for the terms of service. Now accept again. Here we can accept the notifications, accept again. And now you don't have to pay for this, you can just click X to close this, but you will have some ads. Now we have to go for ringtones. There we go. And over here you have to input that iPhone phrase. Inputs iPhone, click on the search. Now go for the ringtones. And we have to check if it is correct. Yeah. This is the sound that we are looking for, so we have to click on this. Now we have to click on this icon and select to set as a ringtone. Now click on this switcher and you have to go back. You don't have to purchase this one, you have to click here. And now as you can see, the ringtone has changed. Now when we open the settings, we can quickly check this if it is working properly. As you can see, yes, our ringtone has changed into the iPhone ringtone. When you open it, we can find this information just over here.